Hello everyone, welcome you all to PYQ Diary. In today's session, we will discuss all the 20 mathematics question of Odisha B.Ed 2022. So let's begin. Question 1. Pick out the correct option with regard to the following statements for the real numbers P and Q. First, if PQ is an irrational number, then at least one of P or Q is an irrational number. Second, if P plus Q is an irrational number, then at least one of P or Q is an irrational number. The choices are A. Only 1 is true, B. Only 2 is true, C. Both 1 and 2 are true, and D. Both 1 and 2 are false. The correct answer is option C. Both 1 and 2 are true. Question 2. While counting the number of pages of a book, the digit 1 occurs 136 times. Then, the number of pages in the book is, the choices are A. 193, B. 195, C. 197 and D. 201. The correct answer is option B. 195. Question 3. Ankit gives 60% of his salary to his wife and she spends 40% of the amount on food. Out of the remaining amount, respective ratio between the amount she spends on children's education and the amount she keeps as saving is 4:11. If she spends rupees 2,880 on children's education, then Ankit's salary is. The choices are A. Rupees 22,500, B. Rupees 24,200, C. Rupees 27,600 and D. Rupees 30,000. The correct answer is option D. Rupees 30,000. Question 4. If r is equal to x comma y belonging to r square such that x square plus 9y square is equal to 144 and s is equal to x comma y belonging to r square such that y is equal to 4 by 9x square, then which one of the following is true? The choices are A. R intersection s is an empty set, B. R intersection s is a singleton set, C. R intersection s contains 2 points and D. R intersection s contains 4 points. The correct answer is option C. R intersection s contains 2 points. Question 5. Consider the relation R equal to AB, BC on the set X equal to ABC. What is the minimum number of ordered pairs to be added on R so as to make it an equivalence relation? The choices are A. 8, B. 7, C. 6 and D. 5. The correct answer is option B. 7. Question 6. On the sets x equals to -1, 1, y equals to 0, 1 and z equals to -1, 0, consider the following relations. S1 equals to xy belonging to x cross x such that x square plus y squared equals to 1. S2 equals to xy belonging to x cross y such that x square plus y squared equals to 1. S3 equals to xy belonging to x cross z such that x square plus y squared equals to 1. S4 equals to xy belonging to y cross z such that x square plus y squared equals to 1. Then which one of the following is correct? The choices are A. Only S1 is a function, B. Only S1 and S3 are functions, C. Only S2, S3 and S4 are functions, and D. S1, S2, S3 and S4 are functions. The correct answer is option C. Only S2, S3 and S4 are functions. Question 7. Which one of the following is true for 0 degrees less than theta less than 90 degrees? The choices are A. Cos theta less than cos squared theta, B. Cos theta greater than cos squared theta, C. Cos theta less than or equal to cos squared theta, and D. Cos theta greater than or equal to cos squared theta. The correct answer is option B. Cos theta greater than cos squared theta. Question 8. For what value of p, the following system of linear equations 2p minus 1x plus p minus 1y equals 2p plus 1, 3x plus y minus 1 equals to 0 have no solution? The choices are A. P equals to 2, B. P not equal to 2, C. P equals to 4 and D. P not equal to 4. The correct answer is option A. P equals to 2. Question 9. The quadratic equations x squared minus 6x plus a equals to 0 and x squared minus bx plus 6 equals to 0 have one root in common. The other roots of the first and the second equation are integers in the ratio 4:3. Then the common root of the pair of equations is, the choices are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3 and D 4. The correct answer is option B 2. Question 10. The remainder when the polynomial p of x equal to x raised to 5 is divided by the polynomial q of x equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2 is? The choices are A. 31x minus 30, B. 31x plus 30, C. 30x plus 31, and D. 30x minus 31. The correct answer is option A. 31x minus 30. Question 51. If x, y, z are positive integers such that 2x greater than 4z and 3y greater than 9x, then which one of the following is correct? The choices are A. X less than y less than z, B. Y less than z less than x, C. Z less than y less than x, and D. Z less than x less than y. The correct answer is option D. Z less than x less than y. Question 52. Which one of the following is the correct value of log 2, log 2, log 3 of log 3273 base 3? The choices are A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, and D. 3. The correct answer is option A. 0. Question 53. Which one of the following is false? The choices are A. Log 2 to the base 3 is an irrational number. B. Log 4 to the base 18 is an irrational number. C. Log 5 to the base 0.2 is a real number. And D. Square root of 2 to the power 2 log 2 to the base 3 is a rational number. The correct answer is option D. Square root of 2 to the power 2 log 2 to the base 3 is a rational number. Question 54. If alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi and cos alpha is equal to cos beta cos gamma, then the value of tan beta dot tan gamma is? The choices are A. minus half, B. half, C. 3 by 2, and D. 2. The correct answer is option D. 2. Question 55. What is the angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow of a tree is root 3 times the height of the tree? The choices are A. 25 degrees, B. 30 degrees, C. 45 degrees, and D. 60 degrees. The correct answer is option B. 30 degrees. Question 56. In a triangle ABC, if sine 2A plus sine 2B is equal to sine of A plus B, then the triangle is? The choices are A. obtuse angled, B. equilateral, C. isosceles, and D. right angled. The correct answer is option D. right angled. Question 57. How many lines can be drawn through 4 non-collinear points on a plane? The choices are A. 6, B. 5, C. 4, and D. 3. The correct answer is option A. 6. Question 58. The perimeter of a rhombus is 148 centimeters and the length of one of its diagonals is 24 centimeters. Then the area of the rhombus is? The choices are A. 700 centimeters square, B. 770 centimeters square, C. 840 centimeters square, and D. 875 centimeters square. The correct answer is option C. 840 centimeters square. Question 59. In a trapezium ABCD, the side AB is parallel to the side CD and AD is equal to BC. Then which one of the following is correct? The choices are A. Twice angle A is equal to angle B, B. Angle A is equal to angle B, C. Angle A is less than angle B, and D. Angle A is equal to twice angle B. The correct answer is option B. Angle A is equal to angle B. Question 60. Which one of the following is false? The choices are A. A point is a zero-dimensional object, B. A line segment is a one-dimensional object, C. A circle is a two-dimensional object, and D. A polygon is a three-dimensional object. The correct answer is option D. A polygon is a three-dimensional object. Thanks for watching this sessions. Hope this session will helpful for your preparation. For watching all previous year question video, stay updated with us and like, share and subscribe our channel PYQ Diary. Thanks.